Welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In previous video, I explained the environments IDLE and PyCharm Community Edition, how to set up the environment, how to develop the program, what options are there and how to open the file. In this video, I am going to show you how to open the Jupyter Notebook. In perspective of data science and artificial intelligence, this is the best suitable environment. So, there are 3 ways to open the Jupyter Notebook. In next video, I am going to show you the options. What options are there in the environment. Please walk through with me. So, you type Anaconda Navigator. If you click on the Anaconda Navigator, it opens like this. Now you can see you have several IDE environments are there. From here you can launch the Spider and PyCharm Community Editor and Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook also you can launch it from here. And you can see the environments. You can create your own actual virtual environment here. And go to learnings. If you want to see the documentation of the Python libraries like scikit-learn, PyTorch, TensorFlow, PyCharm, so you can, the documentation if you want to see, just click here on read and you can see the documentation of that library. So here community help also there. Now I am going to launch the Jupyter Notebook. Just click here. Now the environment is loading. So defaultly the environment is going to open into the web browser. If you want to change the settings of the web browser, that also you can change it. You can set like a Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge. You can use it any one of this default web browser. And this is one way to open it. Next, you can type Anaconda prompt. Just click here. Please wait. Now you can see the virtual environment base. Here you can type Jupyter Notebook. Enter. This is the second way to open the environment. This is the front end interface, and I am going to show you the third way how to open it. Directly you can type Jupyter Notebook, click here. Don't close this one. This is like a Anaconda server. If you close this one, you can't able to execute the Python code. So, and here one important thing, you no need of requirement of the internet, because you can see where we are using in the local host we are running. So, you no need of internet. And this one you can see logout, that is not important because we haven't logged in. So, we no need of this one. And now you can see the options here. This is the main front interface of the Jupyter Notebook, and here I have like n number of directories as well as files also there. IPYENB is nothing but a Jupyter Notebook file. So if you want to sort all these directories or files name based, you can A to Z order or Z to A order. Just click on name. Or if you want to search based on the last modified the file, just click here. File size based, if you want to sort it out, just file size. And this is the main root. Okay, just click on the main root and go to your path. Maybe I want to go to the desktop. Just click on the desktop. And here you can see 2 options are there. One is upload and one is new here. So if you want to take a new folder, just go to new and press the folder. So here I'm going to, you can see seconds ago it was created the folder. If you want to rename the folder, just click on the checkbox, go to rename, and maybe I'm giving like a Siri algorithms. This is my folder name, rename it. Now I'm going to open the Siri algorithms directory. Now you can see there is no files at present. That's why the notebook list is empty. And now I can take like, if you want to open any external file, then go to upload and select the file. Just open it. Click on the upload. So that file was uploaded into the current directory of Siri algorithms. If you want to take a new Python file, go to new, take the Python 3. Just click here. This is your Jupyter Notebook program file. Okay. Now I want to title. If you want to change the title, that means name of the file, two ways are there. So first option is just double click on the untitled. It is going to open the rename notebook. So you can write the name of the file. Rename it. This is one way to do it. Or you can go to rename directly. And you can rename it here also. So this is the way you can open the environment, which you feel more comfortable. That way you can use it. Either you can open the Anaconda navigator through, you can launch the notebook, or you can use the Anaconda prompt, or directly you can type the Jupyter Notebook and open it. In next video, I am going to explain the options in the environment. And see you next video.